was 2018, and Mike was finally ready to build out Liquid Death. However, to bring his idea to reality, he needed money, and a lot of it. Mike tried to raise funds by approaching multiple investors, but they were hesitant to invest in a startup that would be competing with more established brands such as Coca-Cola's Dasani and Pepsi's Aquafina. Investors needed some kind of assurance that Liquid Death could make a name for itself in the bottled water industry. So Mike got to work. Using his knowledge in design and marketing, he created brand assets in a 3D render of the Liquid Death can. He then directed a video ad for the brand that costed $1,500. After which, he created Liquid Death's Facebook page and posted the 94-second ad online to see what the public felt about the brand. And the video went viral. After spending $3,000 to generate some initial traction, the video was getting liked, shared, and viewed by millions of people. Mike took a different approach to marketing the brand. He wasn't afraid to step on people's toes by making jokes about topics society took seriously, which created controversy and in turn, more press, allowing Liquid Death to stand out. Instead of running Liquid Death as a regular water company, he decided to run it as an irreverent entertainment company that sold canned water. In 4 months, Mike's initial post had generated 3 million page views and 80,000 followers, generating consumer interest and pre-orders, all before Liquid Death had actually started producing its canned water. With this momentum, Mike reapproached potential investors and was able to raise a seed investment of $1.6 million from Science Ventures in 2019. Liquid Death was now in production, and in January 2019, they sold their first cans online as a direct-to-customer brand. In a few weeks, Liquid Death faced its first challenge: selling out. The demand for their hardcore mountain water went through the roof, allowing Liquid Death to accumulate over $100,000 in revenue in its first month of production.